Yeah. I used to hate him too.
Really? You hated him? How come? What did you not like about him?
Everything. I didn't like the laugh, everything, and then I don't know.
You just didn't like, you didn't like the character, basically?
Basically.
Yeah,
Or he lost
I
his
think...
mind, and he accepted it.
Well, it was Deathmatch that got me. I started playing Deathmatch and then winning.
Oh, same here. That's what got me on him, because it was like the quick kills you get with those mines.
Oh yeah. And what's that map? The one where you have the downstairs room you can always be in? Oh, Chantel or something like that.
I'm not sure. I don't play it too much.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
I'm gonna put a trap at the top of the right stairs just so we know if someone comes up.
I understand. Understood.
Welcome to
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A. Barrier activated.
Got one person upstairs.
Two coming in from the right.
Ooh, gosh, up top left. On the roller coaster.
You mean the dead bastion?
Yeah, that's the one.
Batman does a little bit of damage.
welcome.
Kill the Mahol.
Pretty strong push.
Team up for special attacks.
Oh, little bastard.
He's almost down.
Roadhog rides again.
Kill the Mahol.
Oh, first down.
Yeah, that's getting there. I wonder if the respawn points are pretty equaled out from here to there. We got 4 on there.
They got it. Just stand back.
Almost want to go Bastion.
I need to recharge.
Team up for specialist. Justice reigns from
Good job on it, Pharaoh.
I have a jetpack, so I'm going to jetpack into touching distance.
Kill the Mahal. Get into position.
justice reigns from above.
What's up, Kate?
Hey, what's up?
I need to recharge. The power of destruction.
Alright.
Surrender to my will.
Pharah's up top.
Action's coming in. Right there, I'll team up on him.
Gale the Mahal.
Yes, we killed a Pharah with a bomb in the air.
Too skilled, bro.
Bash again. Almost looked like total mayhem with all these ults.
Justice reigns from above. Team up for special attack.
GG.
Nice.
That was fun.
Nice one.
Cake, did you watch all that?
Cake.
Cake's gone, huh?
Play of the game.
Man, that was good. I'm gonna see if I
What's up, buddy?